We use these instead of salt.
What is it? It's a soy
Yeah,
sauce.
this is soy sauce, Far East, I think China. It gives a nice color, also gives a better taste. So I used 160 grams chicken, also same here. And
One
this
six.
is, yeah, 120 grams, quarter pound. If you like spicy, I can put chili flakes also a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Little bit? Yeah.
Yes.
This is really hot one, so I put little. These are almost ready. So I am making it to make some fire to kill the oil. You know, so when you have it, you don't kill the oil. So that's one of the reasons I make like this. This is almost done. So what we do, we put in a tortilla bread. This is also a vegan bread. So we put 2 pieces of cheddar cheese, and then I'm gonna put some seasoning. You will like this. Also on the French fries, we are gonna use it. So let's upside down the burger. Eski. So as you see, too much. It's enough for one person. So we need to now roll it. So if it's tight, it's right. Now it's a tight roll. What we're gonna do, so we have chicken cheeseburger. We will make this chicken Mexican, and this is the cheeseburger regular. So let's double check. Chicken Mexican, chicken cheeseburger. Here for I will put some jalapeno. Chili sauce and some barbecue sauce. Now we're going for the cheese. Some more seasoning. ready to serve. This is it. Mohammed, you come and serve. After greasing.